everyone, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. If you're new to my channel, welcome on board. On this channel, I do a lot of home DIY projects in different type of crafting. In today's DIY project, I'm going to be showing you how I create and decorate this beautiful fall centerpiece. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please go ahead and do so. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be the first to get my next upload. These are some reclaimed wood I have on hand. I'm going to be using my miter saw to trim these wood down. Once I'm done trimming the wood down and get all the edges nice and smooth, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to measure on my miter saw, as you can see, those numbers up to 7. And then I'm going to use my pencil and I'm going to mark that line. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut where I marked the line. And I want to cut 2 pieces that goes up to 7 inches. Those 2 pieces that I cut are going to be the smaller length, or maybe I should say the width of my tray. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Titebond wood glue. And this is how I'm going to attach the width of the tray to the length of the tray. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my small square and place it around the tray just to make sure everything is nice and even and square. This will give me a square finish look. Now my wood glue is dry. I'm going to go ahead and install 4 small nails into all 4 corners. As you can see, guys, I had a little bit of a struggle here with this hammer. I have some extra cardboard on hand. This cardboard is really solid and thick. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my pencil to trace out the frame on the cardboard. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my scissors and cut my tracing out. Guys, the struggle with the scissors got real, so I went for my box cutter to finish up the job. You can also use an X-Acto knife or a kitchen knife to cut the box out. Once I got my cardboard box nice and straight, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my hot glue gun to install the cardboard to the wood frame. Then I'm going to go ahead and use a 1/2-inch rope to style around the tray. This will cover up all my imperfection of my cardboard towards my wood frame. I'm going to apply some hot glue, then I'm going to hold pressure, and I'm going to do so all the way around the tray. By the way, guys, The color of the wood is natural texture. This piece of wood I have for years. It was outside, then I brought it inside, and it just got a wetter texture, and I love this texture that the wood has. I'm going to be using my lighter to clean up the road. Guys, please do not try this at home. It's cardboard and it's rope. It's not safe, and I do not want you to catch your house on fire. However, if you decided on trying this, make sure you have water close by and a fire extinguisher. Now I'm going to be using some foam that I have on hand. I'm going to use my box cutter to cut this foam down so it could fit inside of my tray. And now it's time to decorate the tray. These vases I'm repurposing. These pumpkins I got from the Dollar Tree. I also got these candles from the Dollar Tree. Some of these floral picks I got from the Dollar Tree. Some I got from Joans fabric. And some are just extra scrap that I have on hand. So let's get started. I'm starting by placing the vase on the tray. Then I'm going to go ahead and position my pumpkin where I want them to be. Once I position my pumpkins where I want them to be, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting down my greenery. Once I'm done filling in my greenery, I'm going to start adding my colors. I'm using my floral cutter to cut these flowers down. You might notice I remove flowers and then I replace them. You just have to play around with the flowers until you get them in the right position. When it comes to floral arrangement, it does take some time. So you just have to be patient and watch as you add the flowers. It will definitely come along. At this point, I'm just adding in the flowers until I achieve my desired look. And this is what my fall centerpiece turns out to look like. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can be the first to get my next upload. Please type me a comment in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear your thoughts and your opinion on this centerpiece. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.